Hi, in this video I'll show you how to count in Excel based on case sensitiveness. When we use COUNTIF in Excel, it doesn't see whether the data is case sensitive or not. If I select my range to this entire thing and if I give the criteria to be Boston, it will calculate all the Bostons in this given range. If you see capital B also and small b's also. But if I want to do the same thing for case sensitive, say I only want exact Boston to match, so here this is how we use this formula. We will use sum product. You open one more bracket, in that give minus sign. The double minus sign is given to convert true and false into 0 and 1. So if it's a true, it will give 1, and if it is false, it will give a 0. So how to convert any true and false to boolean in Excel, we use a double minus sign, and then you can use the exact function. The exact function matches two texts between each other. So if I give exact of text 1, which is this Boston, and text 2 will be my entire range, okay, and I close all the brackets, press enter, and now drag down for all of these values. So you see Boston 1, 2 and 3 times it appears in this range. Similarly for capital NY 1, 2 and 3 times, and similarly for capital P Philadelphia, it appears 2 times only in this entire range. So this is how you can convert, you can count values based on case sensitiveness in Excel. So exact is the function first, then a minus sign, and I can show you using evaluate formulas how this works. So if I use this evaluate formula, you can see this is a sum product thing over here. First step, evaluate, gives Boston. Second step, you can see now it is matching with this entire range. So true, false, 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 true, so and so on. Second step, evaluate, you can see since there was a double minus sign, it converted all the trues into 1 and all the falses into 0. Okay. And now sum product is not an array function, it is a normal function, and there's a semicolon in between. That means this is a proper range on which we can do a sum product, and these are semicolons. So there's nothing to product on, and the sums are 1, 2. So evaluate, the value will give us 3. Okay, so this is how it works. Thank you.